Hey, it's Paulo Brandt's Clear to Close Brokers. Hey, on this Wednesday Wisdom, we are going to talk about the difference between note rate and APR. Now, this is a question we get asked a lot, especially when you get your disclosures and there's two rates on there. They're like, what rate am I getting? So let me break this down really simplistic to you. An APR is a tool that you get to use to help you shop interest rates to see which lender is giving you the best deal. So in this video, we're going to explain how that calculation is made. Then we're also going to talk about things that you need to look out for, some deceptive practices that lenders are out there using. If you want these slides, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to give them to you. Text me or whatever it is. It's pretty simple. So let me take myself out of the screen here and let's get to understanding what APR versus interest rate is. So interest rate is the basic percentage you pay on your loan principal. This is the number most lenders advertise prominently, and this affects your monthly payment. So this is where your monthly payment is derived. APR, however, includes interest rate plus additional cost. Factors, not all costs, but costs such as points, lender fees, and mortgage insurance. Remember, as I said, that each lender can give you the same interest rate, but some lenders are going to have higher fees from underwriting and processing, and some lenders are going to have points associated with the cost of that rate. And the APR is going to tell you that by comparing the different APRs. So let me bring that back here. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let's say, for an example, Clear to Close Brokers is competing with lender ABC. We're both offering the same rate of 6.5%, and you're not sure which one is better. Well, if you take a look at the next row, Clear to Close is going to offer you 0 points, where lender ABC has a 1 point cost. Now, the truth is, a lot of people don't know what 1 point means. Lenders say that so easily, like, hey, it's a 6.375 with 2 points. And buyers are like, okay, but a lot of you don't know what that is. So let me bring that back. A point is 1% of the loan amount. So in this case, it's going to be $7,500, because what we're assuming here is that this is a purchase price of $1 million, putting 25% down on a loan amount of $750. Now, the underwriter fee is for both of them is going to be the same. So how you tell which one has the better offer for you is looking at the APR. As a result, the APR is Clear to Close Brokers has a 6.53 APR, and the lender ABC has a 6.73 APR. Really interesting stuff, huh? All right, watch out for these sneaky APR tactics. I see this all the time with lenders. Some lenders exclude certain fees from APR calculations to make offers appear cheaper. A lot of tools that we use to show interest rates, allow us to choose which fees are included in APR and which are not. And too often, I see lenders not clicking the box for APR fees when in fact they are. Teaser rates are low advertising rates that require expensive points or apply only to shorter loan terms. I see it a lot. They'll say a 30-year fixed rate term. They give a 15-year fixed rate or a 7-year ARM, or in the small asterisks, show like 2 or 3 points. It's absurd. Missing insurance. Sometimes they won't include the insurance into that calculation of the APR, and delayed disclosures. They get you into contracts and they withhold the loan estimate from you, which is going to make it, hard for you to compare. So what your APR action plan is, always request a loan estimate. That's when you get in the contract. Compare APRs, not ABCs, APRs, and question discrepancy. If something doesn't seem right, question it and get help from an expert. I would always be happy to share thoughts on other companies' loan estimate as it compares to mine. And that's what we're here for. So make sure you use this. All right. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, reach out. If you want the slides, reach out. We got your back. There's a QR code right there. Click it, set up an appointment. Give me a call. I got your back. Take care. Paulo Brandt's